What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP, and specifically, I want to talk about why XRP is going to be worth a lot more than you think. And I don't need you guys to come for me and say, look, to me, it's not going to be worth that much. I mean, you can say it if you want, but this is just my opinion. It's clearly my opinion. I've always said that it has been just my opinion on where I believe certain positions are going to be. I don't expect you guys to invest for me or because I said something. You guys can invest based on your research, based on what you believe. So if you believe in XRP, make a move. If you don't believe in XRP, feel free to not make a move, and you don't even have to watch this video if you don't want to. Honestly, nobody has to watch this video if you don't want to. I just want to put my truth out here and what I believe things are going to be for this position, and why I believe it's going to be that way. Now, if you guys don't understand the situation that XRP or that Ripple, I guess the parent company, is in, then you truly don't understand the level of strength that XRP can have. So that's what I want to do in this video, is take you through what that strength can be, what I believe it's going to be, and honestly what I see that's happening right now. But if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, for trading XRP up to a 50x leverage, feel free to do so. That link is at the top of the description. And it is a good platform. I like trading with it. A lot of people have had success with it. Obviously, in the liquidation train that we had recently, where over $1 billion in liquidations happened, you probably were involved in that if you did have a leverage trading account, no matter what, because unless it was a 2x leverage, then you're safe. If it was a 5x leverage or more, you probably got liquidated either once or even twice at those points. And for me, it happened definitely quite a bit, but ultimately, we've seen a lot of success in Margex, and I'm looking to see that through to the actual altcoin season, because it's going to be massive if you're leverage trading in the altcoin season. While it's ramping up to that point, I mean, it's going to be massive for you and everything that you're investing into. But that's just me, and that's what I see. Now, I know that a lot of people look at XRP and they go, it hasn't really moved in a matter of 4 years, 5 years. And it's understandable to say that this hasn't moved in such a long time, and why this hasn't moved in such a long time. You got to understand the reason, sorry, as to why it hasn't moved in such a long time. XRP has been held back by the SEC, by the government that just wants to maybe get a hold of crypto, and they want to gain money back from cryptocurrency companies, exchanges, parent companies. If you associate with crypto, they want to get their money's worth, because honestly, Uncle Sam is not being paid accordingly when it comes to the government. I just tried to put out a video earlier today that didn't have sound halfway through. Because I forgot to turn the mic on, so that's just my fault, and I couldn't keep that video out there knowing that there's no sound in half the video. Kind of just literally after the most important viewpoint, you can't really watch that. But I talked about that and how the SEC wants to get their money, right? They want to get their taxes, and Ripple is one of those that's trying to fight against it, and not fight against them getting their money, but fight against the this overwhelming authority for a thing that they don't understand. Cryptocurrency, if you were trying to get an understanding of how to regulate the crypto market rather than just be kind of a like a dictatorship in a way, and just order people what they can and cannot do, that's you have to understand what you're dealing with first, and I don't think they do. right? And maybe they do, and maybe they're just trying to prolong the inevitable, which is going to be the acceptance of crypto. I don't know, but that's besides the point. We're getting away from topic. Um, XRP has been fighting this battle for however many years, and it stayed flat. Like if you look at XRP, you can see that it was at 64 cents in the beginning in the last year and decreased down to 40, increased to 72, then decreased down to 40, then increased to 72, then decreased down to 40, and then it went up to 65 and then decreased down to 40. So we see what happened, right? We see what happens time and time again with this position. It's not a progressive upscale. It's not just moving up, right? It's staying flat. And the reason why it's staying flat is there's only one thing that remained constant. You can't say that Ripple hasn't had partnerships or anything like that, and XRP hasn't been doing anything. The community hasn't been growing. That's not the case. It's the fact that the SEC continues to have this litigation, continues to have this lawsuit kind of over them like a dark, stormy cloud. And it's a problem. It's a major problem. So you have to understand how big of a burden that's going to be off of XRP shoulders, off of Ripple shoulders, when you have a full conclusion to that case. Now, a full conclusion means that you need to have clarity on what defines a security. You need to have clarity on what was done wrong and how you can avoid it. You need to have clarity maybe on what you can do with the escrow amount that they have in XRP. You need to have clarity on where the SEC stands on cryptocurrency. All of those things, if all of those things, we find a way to have a breakdown to all of those, we can then say that XRP should honestly skyrocket and should be worth way more than people think. If you understand how this has been taken down a notch from even the last bull market where everything shot up besides XRP. XRP was active in this lawsuit. It didn't shoot up. We see everything that picks up, everything that dropped down to a certain price. Honestly, XRP remained at a relatively equal level. It still was at like 36 cents, but a relatively equal level from 30 up to 50, down to 30, up to 40, down to 30, up to a level of 60, 70, and then down to 40 again. Like we saw these levels that it hit for these past couple of years, and it's all been pretty flat. Peaks and valleys, but relatively in the middle, like flat. So when we do have that clarity, when we do have that breakdown to say XRP is not a security, which we already have that, but then also Ripple is done with going back and forth here and fighting this case. They have clarity, all of that stuff. XRP will be worth so much more than you think. This opens up the doors for Ripple, who's already been creating partnerships while the litigation has been ongoing. And imagine the level of partnerships that they have when everything is cleared. Imagine the ability to utilize XRP in all of these partnerships when they are cleared. You got to understand how big of an impact that this truly is. So if you think that XRP is not going to be worth a lot more, if you think that XRP is going to stay at this level, honestly, I think you might be a little crazy. XRP will be worth way more. Honestly, I believe it's going to be worth more than Bitcoin. It's going to be the number one cryptocurrency out there. That's just my opinion. You don't have to take it as fact. It's just my opinion. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button before my voice gives out and completely, just tears a hole in my esophagus. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for MargeX, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.